Unlock the secret to landing pages that convert. Let me show you how Kartra's landing page builder can turn things around fast. With Kartra, you can build stunning, high-converting landing pages in just minutes. No coding, no headaches, just a simple drag-and-drop editor that lets you bring your vision to life. Want to embed your socials into your page? It's effortless. Just drag in a customizable widget, and boom, your Instagram feed or Facebook page is right where you want it. Kartra isn't just about good looks either. You can grab attention at the perfect moment with dynamic pop-ups and exit intents, welcoming visitors, offering deals, or catching them before they click away. Action buttons and symbols guide your visitors every step of the way, making it super clear what to do next. The best part? You get access to over 500 professionally designed, mobile responsive templates. Pick one, tweak every detail with the visual editor, and make it truly yours. Need a form for capturing leads? Kartra's native form builder makes it seamless. And when it's time to sell, checkout pages connect to membership sites with one click. Looking to maximize revenue? Kartra's got powerful upselling tools built right in. Plus, with effortless A/B testing, you can optimize every element, run up to 4 split tests at once, and see what works best. Publishing your pages is instant, analytics are deep, and heat maps show exactly how people interact with your content. And Kartra isn't just a landing page builder. You can run websites, online courses, email campaigns, webinars, surveys, everything from one place. Even generate copy with Kartra AI. Ready to stop losing leads and start building landing pages that actually convert? Hit the link below for a summer sale, up to 57% off. Don't wait.